We're here at Trentham Gardens to see their Winter Lights event.
We're feeling festive and excited to see what this trail has to offer.
Here's what's coming up.
Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh.
So yeah, we're here at Trentham Gardens to see what the Christmas light event is. We've seen a bit of this online. It looks pretty good. Heard some good reviews about the trail this year. We're here with the Kershaws. We're up in Manchester with them for the week. So doing lots of Christmassy events.
And Tracy and Faith.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, great to spend some time together in there.
Yeah.
And yeah, thought what better thing to do at Christmas than a Christmas light trail. We love them, so why not? So yeah, come with us as we head around the light trail. None of us have ever done this one before.
No. We've only ever been to Trentham for chargers.
EV charging. They've got good EV chargers here.
They've
Tesla
got
ones, they're good.
Like shopping area. Saw the signs for gardens, but never knew.
This was it.
Yeah, this was here. So.
Yeah, so let's head around the trail. Unfortunately, I forgot the SD card, like a rookie. Forgot the SD card. It's a phone blog, so sorry if it's not as good as usual. But let's head around the light trail and we'll let you know what we think of it when we get to the end.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
So we're at the end of the light trail. They've now got a load of carnival games, like funfair, helter skelter, swings, things like that. Waltzers. No, thank you. And they've also got some food. So I think if they're not closed for now, we've been here a couple of hours now.
Yeah.
Hopefully the food is still open, because I don't know about you, I'm getting quite peckish.
Yeah. If not, it's going to be a
McDonald's at Kiel Services the way in. So these booths here you can book. Nice little cosy booths. And then you've got a mulled wine, hot chocolate stand. and pie and mash. Photo booth, you've got a tent here, so nice and warm to eat your food. And then more food up here. And that is it. We are at the end of the Trentham Light Trail. Have you enjoyed yourself?
It's been really good. Really good. Far exceeded my expectations. I didn't do any prior research. But I would probably say it's up there with the best light trails we've done
this year for sure.
Definitely this year, and probably one of my favourite of all the trails.
Yeah, no, some really different stuff in this one.
Yeah.
Like a lot of movement with the little butterflies and the bugs. That was very cool.
The ball things that you got to walk through the string of balls.
Yeah. Some different bits. Which
and
was
the
nice to see.
lantern, like the Japanese garden section.
Yeah, that's cool.
That was magical.
Yeah. So yeah, would really recommend Trentham. And that's going to do it for us here at Trentham.
Real soon!
You're a little bit early there. And that is going to do it for us here at Trentham Gardens. And until next time, we shall see you real soon.
Bye!